What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're gonna do my first version of Manifestation Monday. Now, what is Manifestation Monday? Let's go. Welcome back. If you've been here before, welcome to. If this is your first time here, my name's EJ and this is Central Digital Media. And on this channel, man, you follow me on my credit score journey to get to 800. But on top of that, I'm doing other little small things on that. And one of those videos today, I've been wanting to do this for a while. Manifestation Mondays. Now I'm gonna have Manifestation Monday, Topic Tuesday, my everyday Wednesday videos, Credit Card Thursdays, and Fast Credit Fridays. Now, those are my lineups, and I'm not gonna be doing videos every day, but those are days I'm gonna be dropping videos and what their topic is gonna be about. So today is my first one of Manifestation Monday. I feel like now is a good time to drop this video because there's been some nice manifestations that's popped up this year, and you know, I've been looking into this stuff for a while now, you know, with chakras and vibrations and frequencies and stuff like that. But I really dived into it this year. And like I said, I white sage my house, you know what I'm saying? I white sage the people in my house, I white sage everything that needs to be white saged. And like, I'm doing all this stuff. So, manifestation, if you've never heard of it, manifestation is virtually, in a nutshell, you speak something out loud, you believe it, and watch it happen. It sounds crazy. It sounds so simple. Like, you can just wish for $1 million and it pop up. It don't work like that. It's not like a genie in a bottle. But if you've never heard of affirmations, affirmation is just you speaking things like, I am this, I will get that. You saying something out loud about what you feel, and it's always in a positive light. Positivity is probably the most important part of all of this. Because if you have negative vibes and negative energy, it just eats away at your positivity. You know, negativity is the bringer of downfall. So, and for the longest time, man, whatever you ponder on, you manifest. And I was always pondering on the negative stuff in my life. I was always pondering on the deaths and all the bad stuff that happened to me in my life. Now, once I started focusing on that so much, start focusing on being positive, like, you know, money comes and goes, everything happens for a reason. Like, things start to change. And people don't believe this, but I'm living proof right now that manifestation works. Like, this whole channel change of me going from entertainment to informational is a manifestation coming to light. Just a couple things that happened this year. I was behind on a lot of my bills. I said I was going to pay them this year. I paid. I was my registration was pretty late. Twice I got pulled over with no registration, like past due like 2 years. Yeah, twice I got pulled over, and I just stayed positive the entire time. Like I like, just in case, you know, things would go sideways, I had a bad cop, whatever. I was getting my stuff packed just in case they took my car. But I stayed positive, and both times those cops just, you know, let me ride. They said don't drive the car anymore. But I had to go to work. Another situation, my wife, she drove her dream car. I said she was gonna drive it, and she drove it. But after that, I said mine is next. And y'all not gonna believe this. Quick story time. I was day before yesterday. I was driving to work. I was going to get some gas, and as I was going, I saw my dream car. Well, one of them, the main one now, the BMW i8, and I saw this guy at the gas station about to pump some gas, and I just rolled up on him. They had no idea who this guy is. I don't know who he was, and I said, "Excuse me, sir, that's my dream car." And this guy said, y'all not gonna believe this. That's manifestation right there. But the guy said, "Take it for a drive." And I was like, yeah, right. But I told him I had to go to work. I was on my way to work. And I'm never late for work. Ever I'm late for work. If anything, I'm like 15-20 minutes early. But he said, "Take it for a spin." And I thought he was joking, but you know, as I was pulling up, I thought he was just gonna keep walking. Like, I put my car in park, and before I was even getting out the door, he was already getting in the passenger seat of his car. So I was like, he's serious. So I hopped in. I got some pictures here. I hopped in, and immediately, like, something clicked inside me. Like, I'm in it. Like, I manifested this car, and I didn't even realize what type of car. I said I was gonna manifest the Roadster. I didn't even realize at the moment that I was already in the Roadster. I didn't know this. So I was like, oh man, BMW i8, this is it. Took some videos, we took off. I've never even, I don't know how to even put the thing in go. So I had to figure that out real quick. We driving on the highway, and he tells me, gun it. It was, if you guys watch Tall Guy or Tall Guy car reviews, his old videos, he would tell people to drive his car. He said, just gun it, go, go, go. So I had that kind of feel right now. Okay, he told me just gun it, and I was like, you sure? He said go. So I gunned it. You know what I'm saying? It's a small street, and I'm doing like 80 miles an hour down this little small street. So I took it out on the highway. I was like, I gotta try it out. Took it out on the highway. We was doing undisclosed speeds on the highway, but man, before we did that, he dropped the top though. Before we went on the highway, he dropped the top. But when I tell y'all, man, like that feeling, like of manifesting that car, driving it in the most randomest place. How many times you went to the gas station and somebody let you drive your dream car? Right. It's so random. Like that doesn't happen. So that right there was like a culmination for me. Like I feel like I'm doing things right. I'm manifesting things. My vibrations are getting in a good location. My frequencies is all aligning right now. I'm not where I want to be yet by any means, but the fact that that happened, feel like I'm heading in the right direction. I'm still high up there. That was insane. Driving your dream car from a random person at the gas station. That don't happen. What is manifestation? Like I said, you speak stuff out and it happens in the nutshell. So the thing I want you guys to focus on is there's a thing called low frequencies and high frequencies, low vibrations and high vibrations. When you're doing your low vibration stuff, that's when you're negative, you feel low of energy, you feel like everything is against you, things aren't flowing right. Your goal is to increase your vibrations and your frequencies. So what I do is I stay positive. I write down my goals. I speak them out loud. I listen to binaural beats, and pretty much when I'm driving, because I like to listen to them loud. But at that time, right before I go to sleep, I'll listen to them, and I say in my head over and 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 over again, like the things I want. I see it, like I visualize it. I see it happening before it happens. I visualize my bank account growing. I visualize myself going to that car and getting it. I visualize going to the dealership and getting that car. I visualize getting my first real estate property. I visualize everything while listening to these binaural beats. And slowly but surely, things have been falling into place. Like I manifested also that I was going to fix things with Chase. They had no reason, absolutely none, to do that for me. But they did, right? And I didn't have to put no money into the bank account to do it. $0 down to open a bank account. So, I mean, the proof is in the pudding, man. And if you can just manage to just stay positive, just starting out, just simple. Today's gonna be a good day. As soon as you wake up, just say it. As soon as you wake up, before you even look at your phone or anything, today is going to be a good day. Just keep saying it every day, over and over and over again. And eventually it will happen. Like, it's not gonna be instant. Sometimes people like this manifestation stuff in the real because it ain't happen instantly, or it don't say on the exact date that you have to want to happen. It don't work like that. You have to be exact on what you want. Say you don't want to say I want a bunch of money. Say you want this amount of money and by this date. But it can't be something that's like I want $1 million by tomorrow. Like, come on now. It don't work like that. You have to put in the work too. It's not just like I can just wish for it and just sit here and it pop up. It don't work like that. And that's how a lot of people misconstrue it and think that it doesn't work when it really does. Now, sometimes it takes years for your manifestations to pop up. Like, you just got to be patient, work with it, and continue to do your part to make it happen. Like I'm telling you guys, 2021, right here, I'm bringing all of it. That's just the little stuff. Like, I have more things I want to do for 2021, but those are the main things that I want to pull out first. So listen, man, be positive, be patient. Don't be I think a lot of the music they we listen to too blocks or interrupts our flow of our vibrations, because the music that we listen to these days is so negative and so like I want to kill you, like. So I think that plays a part in it too. But at the same time, that gets us hype in the morning. Like, you know, people be selling drugs in their head in the morning time when they go to work. You know what I'm saying? So like that. But I say just try to stay as positive as you can. Like, November's been testing me, but I didn't realize my light died. Anyway, stay positive. Hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Manifestation is real. vibrations, frequencies, chakras, energies in the universe. All of it's real. I'll be doing more videos like this. This was just like the intro video. But yeah, just want to give y'all some story times, some receipts, so y'all can see that 2020 I've been manifesting some stuff. There's other stuff too, but y'all need to worry about all that. But hey, we here. Manifestation Monday, man. My name's EJ. This has been Eccentric Digital. This has been Eccentric Digital Media Production. So this is not a credit video, so I'm not gonna say get your credit score up, but I did anyway. Get your vibrations up. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed, man. Until next time, man. I'm out.
This is my car, man.
This is mine right here.
Circle,
I told you guys.
Circle the beast.
I manifested. Speak it into existence. Here we go. Look at the doors. Look at the doors. Look at the doors. I'm supposed to be at work.
Oh, it's all good.
It's all good. I cannot pass this up.
Storyblocks Audio.